So hi everybody and welcome back to this C++ tutorial series for absolute beginners. This is video 313, and in this video we continue with our exercise, and like all time you should try to answer the question as good as you can while you pause the video and then start the video again and compare it with my answer. And of course I will not pause the video, I will go straight to the answer. And here we stopped at number 4, now we are at number 5, and you can see here is a code snippet. So try to explain this code snippet first and then make a code example as long as you want to repeat all the knowledge what you acquire so far. All right, and like I said, I don't pause the video, you should pause it and try as good as you can. And I jump here to the answer, and you can see here is a code snippet which I have get from CPP reference this time. Let's uncomment this one and watch what we have here. First of all, you can see it starts here with a function, and then we have just a main, and then you can see here is just a variable, and here is a pointer. The pointer takes, of course, the address of an already existing object. We know that. Here we have a reference which can be used like this one with a differencing pointer here, and you can see this is our first use case. So but before we go on, what value category was that, or is that? And that's a question here. It says here L value can be bound to a reference. Yeah, so here is an L value can be bound to a reference, and here this one is a little bit strange because it says here indirection plus L value to R value conversion. This one is not so easy. You have to read this in a good C++ book to understand, because it goes a little bit down and that's not so important. But what you should know is this one here is an L value, but the question is, wait a minute, and let's skip the other ones here. This one is an L value. Why is this an L value? I mean, we know we are differencing a pointer. Yes, here's the pointer which we created. And we are differencing an already existing memory location. But more importantly, what I want to show you is there are two tricks which you can do. Let's comment this one fast and go back to the other example here on top, which you can do. Two tricks. We know if you can take the address of the expression, then it's probably an L value, or if you can write it on the left side. And look what we have here in this little example here. So I have here 4 variables, and 2 are non-pointers, the other one are pointers. And this pointers, nothing is initialized here so far. And the pointer here is initialized with the address of I, and the Q is initialized here with G, but they are still not initialized. And then interesting is what happens here. You can see the differencing operator P is now on the left side, and there is the rule an R value is not normally, let's say, so can't stay normally on the left side, only an L value, because on the left side means you are storing something in memory and you can get this out later or use it later. So it's not a temporary value which is just at this point of time. So, and this is also something I think we have not so often seen, because we used the pointer most time for differencing. Now you can see we can use the pointer on the left side and assign a value to it. And yeah, that was it for this video. I hope it was not too difficult. And in the next video, we'll continue again with this little short examples. See you there. Have fun like all time and never give up. Bye.